Hey guys, today I am doing a quick video on me putting together my new IKEA desk, and it's the Alex desk with two side cabinets. This desk took over 2 hours to complete because I am impatient. I got tired of it sitting in the box for 2 weeks. And it was a Sunday, and I did not want to bother my spouse on football Sunday. So I decided to go ahead and tackle it myself. And I did had so many mistakes. And needless to say, he still had to come and save the day and help me get my desk together. And I wanted to make use of the other side of my office so that I can have a space for all of my stationery supplies. So let's get right into it. This video was sped up because I had over 2 hours worth of footage and I did not want to bore you all with 2 hours of this. So I got it, cut it down as much as I could.
These right here have to go in straight. So you might want to use a drill. This is a lot easier. I can put it on the setting for you.
A slow setting? How do you use that though?
You don't have to, but see that one? There was a tag on one. This one here, look.
Y'all, this is where I realized I messed up. The drawers does not fit at all.
3 small or 2 small?
2 small ones, 3 big ones.
I had a feeling I was gonna happen.
What in the world?
It's only gonna go one.
Babe, I'll fix
No,
the door
Yeah.
so that it can be done. I don't want it big, small, big, small, big, big.
No, it gotta be. You can't do that either. That won't go in there because it's made to go only one way. So.
I'll almost and everything.
No choice but.
Call you back when I'm done. I got to take these out, right? This desk was such a hassle to put together. But all in all, I'm happy with the finished product. But I can already tell that I am going to have to get the longer tabletop and also get additional storage and drawers. So stay tuned for that. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.